Now I will give you some technical knowledge about leather line. For starting a new business, you have to buy new machines only. Never buy second-hand machines as they result in many problems. You should buy your machine from a well-known and good brand. As a branded machine's life is more than a local machine, you should start with a post-bed machine. It will do all the basic stitching and with a good quality, as these are roller feed machines. For starting a small scale business of footwear, you will need a post-bed machines, skiving machines and many tools like stones, wax, threads, needles, hammers, scissors, heaters, adhesives, PVC last, etc. All these tools are available in Agra, Delhi and many cities. You can search online and order online also. Wooden last are an old concept, shouldn't be used as they get de-shaped according to the weather. Preference should be given to PVC last for the production. Leather is of many types. For making shoes, you will need aniline leather or top grain leather, full grain leather, crated grain, suede or nubuck. You should take care of the quality of it as leather have many wounds on cuts in it. If you want to buy the raw material for a small business, then you may go to the local market as leather is available in wholesale shops. If you are planning on a huge level, then you might want to go to Jalandhar, Agra, Delhi, Kanpur or Calcutta, as these are the hub of leather industry. The leather shoe line is a vast line. There are machines for virtually every single step of leather goods manufacturing. If you are starting your business on a small scale, you will have to get some skilled labor and have to do the work manually. You will also need a lasting man who will fix the upper of the shoe to the mold. You will need a lot of raw material in shoe line. You will need different tapes to cover edges of the shoes. If you are thinking to start a business of Punjabi Jutti, then you will have to add one more machine, which is embroidery machine, which is important to make designs on jutti. Embroidery machines makes incredible designs and you don't need to have a skilled labor for that. You just need a trained employee and machine will do work automatically and according to the command. Before purchasing a machine, you should always have expert opinion, as purchasing a machine is one-time investment and you cannot change machines every other day. Expert will tell you the best machine for your line. It may be Punjabi Jutti, lady shoes, sandals or men's shoes. For keeping the raw material safe, you should not allow any of your worker to smoke inside your shop or industry. And your electrical wiring should also be concealed because adhesives are highly inflammable. Secondly, leather skins should be placed very well, as we cannot fold leather like cotton or other material. It is a delicate material which has to be stored and placed on donkeys, which are made only for leathers. Donkeys which will not let the leather crack and will stay fresh. Just like this, the raw material should be kept in proper and managed boxes. Classification of each box should be done in order to avoid any confusion. Cleanliness is another factor that will affect your work. If the working area is clean, you will feel like you want to work. If working conditions are neat and clean, then workers will be happy and will give their best results. Next thing is stock management. You must have 3 months raw material, so if in the future your sales are good and people need more products, then you don't have to go anywhere and waste time for purchasing raw material every other day. Raw material inventory should be properly maintained so that you can keep track on which material is used and what amount of material is used, so that in the future you can order your raw material before the actual need.